Hey everybody, DC here on a Thursday. We got some new stuff for you. Check this stuff out. Boom. Mushies, garlic, red onion, shallots, serrano, green onion, bell pep, and some USDA choice. Here we go. Steak, in. Worcestershire, in. Italian seasoning, in. Creole, in. Oh yeah, garlic, in. Bell pep, in. Chili, in. Shallots, in. Red onion, sprinkled in. Chili onion crunch, in. Yes. Delicious. Gravy, in. Simmer, mushrooms, in. Mushroom sirloin, dirty style. Hey everybody, DC here on a beautiful Monday night. We got some chicken and some capers coming at you. Some new stuff, look at that, yellow pepper, green pepper, red onion, some chicken I marinated last night. Here we go. Noodles, in. Garlic, in. White wine. Zook, in. Butt hair, in. Red onion, in. Chili, in. Shallot, in. Red onion and shallot, in. Yellow pep, in. Chicken, in. Chicken, in. Little lime, in. Oregano, in. Parsley, in. Don't be shy. Capes, in. Dirty sauce, in. Lime chicken and capers, dirty style. Monday night dinner. Hey everybody, DC here tonight, Saturday night. We got some snacks, we got some frijoles, Fritos, taco seasoning, black olives, some cheddar, some beef, onions, serrano chili, bell pep, and a nice Corona to wash it all down. Tonight's dirty taco salad coming at you. Here we go. Beef, in. Worcestershire, in. Oregano, in. Garlic, help, in. Red onion, in. Bell pep, in. Our favorite, garlic, in. Frijoles, in. A little bit of taco seasoning. Diced tomatoes with green chilies, in. And a little bit of water. Ground cumin, in. Lime, in. Cayenne pepper, in. Dirty taco salad. Custom.
Best food ever.
Thank you, son. Good morning, everybody. DC here on a beautiful Saturday morning. The rain has gone. We're going to make a little double meat McDirty this morning for my son and I. Here we go. Bacon, in. All right, butter, in. All right, muffins, in. Oh, eggs, in. So my toaster broke, and I'm trying new things. Creole, in. Ground pepper, in. Chili powder, in. Cheese, in. Ham, in. Forget the tomato. Straight meat and cheese. Yes. Zook, in. Red onion and shallot, in. Together. Ground pepper in, cayenne pepper in. Chicken thighs, in. Creole, in, lightly. Butter, in. Fry them up, Creole in again. Normally I would bake these, but I'm gonna try something different. Dirty sauce in. Kind of baste that a little bit, then we'll go lid on. Just kind of baste it a little bit. Put a lid on it and forget it for a minute. She's looking good. Brown that butter. Dirty chicken thighs. Check it out. Delicious. Man.
Yummy.
Yeah, boy. Freaking Friday. Hello, everybody. DC here. We got a nice special dinner. My son is back. He's with me for the weekend. I'm super excited. I got some chicken thighs. There's no bones in these bad boys. Some serrano chili. We got some beautiful shallots, some zouk, and some other crap. Dijon honey, pasta, feta. Here we go. Noodles in. Butter in. Garlic in. Mustard in. Oh, honey in. Ground pep's already in. Creole on top. Chili powder in. Basil in. Oregano in. Shallots in. Red onion in. Chili in. Lemon in. One or two. Olive oil in. I like to chop it up, get the extra flavor. Good morning, everybody. It is beautiful Friday, nice and wet outside. I gotta make a nice little breakfast. We got some tortillas. We got red mini potatoes, garlic, red onions, bell pep, serrano chili, lime, huevos, and some bacon. Here we go. Papas in. Just a splash of oil. All right, butter in. Bacon in. Huevos in. Milk in. In. Red onion in. Bell pep in. Chili in. And a little bit of lime in. Just a pinch of oregano in. Chili powder in. Creole in. All right, butter here in. Huevos in. Chili powder in. Hey everybody, DC here on a Thursday once again. I got a nice brown gravy steak mixture coming at you. Here we go. All right, steak in. Worcestershire in. Oregano in. Parsley in. Black pepper and Creole in. Garlic in. Red onions in. My favorite, shallots in. Bell pep sprinkled in. Butt hair in. Chili in. And a little bit of ancho. Gravy in. Simmer a bit. Dirty brown gravy and sirloin. Delicious. Good morning, everybody. DC here on a Taco Tuesday. Gonna make a quick little breakfast. This is simple, delicious, and effective. All right, butter in. Muffin in. Egg in. Oops. Chili powder and Creole in. Not worried about the yolk, folks, because I usually break them out anyways. Hey now. Yolk out. Ham in. Cheddar in. Egg on. Ham on. Tomatoes on. Dirty breakfast sandwich. Delicious. Good evening, everybody. DC here on a beautiful Monday night. We got some fixins here. We got something new. Look at that, potatoes. We got a new look. We got some veggies. Beef broth, garlic, onion, shallots, bell pep, some thyme, and some beef. Here we go. Shepherd's pie on the way, dirty style. All right, beef in. Bell pep in. Chili in. I love these things. Shallots in. Little green onion. Garlic in. Italian seasoning in. Geese salt in. Cayenne pepper in. Paint it red, people. Little thyme, stripped it. Veggies in. Beef broth and some extras in there. In. Butter in. Beef and veggies in. Cheddar in. Parsley in. Paprika in. Hey everybody, DC here tonight. Sunday fun day. We got some pork chops, some roni, some beans, onions. Here we go. Butter in. Pork in. Lemon in. Little virgin oil. Creole in. Both sides. G powder in. Parsley and oregano in. Garlic in. Butter in. Oh, total seasoning in. Pork chops in. Come on. Shallots in. Green onion in. Pork chops. Dirty pork chops and rice. Hey everybody, DC here on a beautiful Saturday night. We got a gluten-free lemon chicken and capers with some shrimp coming at you on a bed of fettuccine noodles. We got a cameraman here tonight. Here we go.
In.
Butter in. Garlic in. All right, lemon in. Olive oil in. Just a little. Garlic powder in. Garlic in. All right, chicken in. Butter in. And yes, garlic in. Shallots in. Shrimp in. Time. In. Chicken stock in. Shallots in. Capes in. Oh. Butter in. Lemon in. Dredge. Lemon chicken, dirty style. Check it out.
That's a bit more than lemon chicken. This is some out of bounds shit.
Hello everybody, Thirsty Thursday here. DC coming at you with a huge request. We got some poundage here. We're gonna make some freaking pasta tonight. Stay tuned. Chicken in. All right, ancho chili in. Creole in. Italian seasoning in. And one heaping garlic in. Red onion in. And again, jalapeno in. Chicken looking good. Dirty juice right there. Heavy in. Ancho in. Cayenne pepper in. Don't be shy. Garlic powder in. Garlic salt in.